Hello, dear students. Welcome back to our news channel. Students, today we have a very interesting news article with us. It is Curtain on Old IPC, CRPC, Evidence Law. New codes come into effect from today. All right. तो अभी क्या है न्यूज में? न्यू कोड्स, न्यू क्रिमिनल कोड्स इंट्रोड्यूस हुए, पर हमें सबसे पहले ये जानना जरूरी है कि आखिरकार पुराने कोड्स क्या थे. So this require breaking down these complex legal concepts into simpler terms. All right, students, first we have is IPC, Indian Penal Code. Students, Indian Penal Code is like a rule book that tell us what actions are against the law and what punishments people might get if they break those rules. So it covers things like theft, hurting someone, and other crimes. For example, now we'll come to the example once we'll explain all these three concepts. Okay? The second one is CRPC, Code of Criminal Procedure. Now, this is like a guidebook for how the police and courts should handle cases when someone is accused of breaking the law. So it talks about basically all those things, like how people can arrest someone, how trials should be conducted in courts, and how evidence is collected. Now, then we have Indian Evidence Act. Now, this particular rule, it tells us what kinds of things can be used as a proof in court to decide if someone is guilty or not. It explains like how witnesses can give their statements and how documents or other things can be shown to the judge. Okay, so let's just understand this situation. For example, someone is accused of taking something that doesn't belong to them, like a phone. All right. So IPC would say that taking something without permission is wrong. It is a what? It's a theft. All right. So what IPC tell us? That taking someone without permission, taking something without permission is wrong, is absolutely wrong. So it's a theft. On the other hand, we have CRPC. CRPC explains how the police can arrest the person and how the case will go to court. क्या बताता है हमें क्रिमिनल प्रोसीजर कोड कि पुलिस कैसे अरेस्ट करेगा और केस को कैसे कोर्ट में लेके जाएंगे. At last, we have Indian Evidence Act. Now, this would decide what things like the stolen phone or what witnesses saw can be used in court to prove if the person really did the really took the phone or not. All right. So this what tell us? It tells us about the evidences. Now, if we just want to summarize the whole thing, IPC क्या बताएगा? It will tell us about the rules, that whether this is legal or illegal. Then CRPC क्या बताएगा? Rules about how to handle criminals and cases, कि criminals और cases को कैसे handle करना है. Then we have Indian Evidence Act, and it talks about the rules about what proofs can be used in court. कि कोर्ट में कौन कौन से प्रूफ यूज कर सकते हैं. ऑलराइट, तो ये हो गया आईपीसी, सीआरपीसी और इंडियन एविडेंस एक्ट के बारे में. नाउ चेंजेस क्या इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ है? चेंजेस ये इंट्रोड्यूस हुए हैं कि अब आईपीसी की जगह भारतीय न्याय संहिता इंट्रोड्यूस, ओके, मीनिंग कि just a second. Yes, all right. So अब इंडियन पेनल कोड की जगह क्या इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ है? भारतीय न्याय संहिता। और सिर्फ नाम नहीं चेंज हुआ है, बल्कि देर आर सर्टेन अदर प्रोविजंस वर आल्सो इंक्लूडेड इन दिस न्यू एक्ट, ओके। वैसे ही कोड ऑफ क्रिमिनल प्रोसीजर की जगह क्या इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ है? भारतीय नागरिक सुरक्षा संहिता। एंड एट लास्ट वी हैव इंडियन एविडेंस एक्ट की जगह भारतीय साक्ष्य बिल। Okay, students, so these are important because first we actually need to know कि आखिरकार जो changes हुए हैं उसमें name में क्या change आया. Okay, so I was telling you all about the new provision. बहुत सारे new provision भी introduce हुए हैं, like provision for zero FIR. मान लीजिए किसी पर्सन को FIR फाइल करना है, किसी क्राइम के अगेंस्ट में रिपोर्ट फाइल करनी है, तो that person can file first information report at any police station regardless of jurisdiction. Earlier what used to happen कि जहां पे क्राइम हुआ है सिर्फ पूरी उसी एरिया के jurisdiction में केस फाइल हो सकता है. Now online registration of police complaint can also be conducted. All right, even for heinous crimes. और भी बहुत सारे provisions है, like mob lynching and judgment in criminal cases has to come within 45 days. So these are some of the changes that were introduced in Indian Penal Code. Okay. So students, सबसे ज्यादा important क्या है आपके लिए समझना कि what is IPC, what was actually IPC, CRPC and Indian Evidence Act और इनके names क्या है, new names क्या है. All right. So students, that's it. अभी के लिए सिर्फ इतना ही. जैसे मैं आपको बताया सबसे पहले ज्यादा जरूरी है नेम जानना, और जो न्यू कुछ प्रोविजंस हैं वो जैसे zero FIR introduced for online registrations. So these are some of the new provisions. Okay. That's it for today, students. Have a nice day.